Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming one essential prerequisite. Your Epic account email is verified and you control that inbox. Once done, open a browser and sign into account. Epic Games.com, make sure Fortnite is closed. Next, choose your method, phone SMS or an authenticator app, because each creates different codes and recovery options. Start the 2FA flow under password and security. You'll see step-by-step prompts. Follow the on-screen instructions and keep your phone in hand so you can receive or scan the code immediately. You now continue by selecting the Authenticator app or SMS option, depending on your preference. If you pick an app, open it and scan the QR code or type the secret key manually. This links Fortnite to the app, and that's why scanning matters. Make sure to save the backup codes Epic shows. They're your recovery path if you lose access. Once linked, enter the 6-digit code from the app or the SMS. After acceptance, mark the device as trusted if you want fewer prompts. To finish, verify that password and security shows 2FA as enabled so Fortnite recognizes it. Then store the backup codes offline, print or write them down, and enable device trust on personal devices to reduce prompts. If things go wrong, here's one key troubleshooting tip. Resync the Authenticator app's time calibration, because wrong device time causes invalid codes. Alternatively, request a new SMS code. If that still fails, contact Epic.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.